Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold, like I've been saying for a very long time now, this is definitely a wave 1, 2, 3. And we are going beyond the 200% Fibonacci extension. And like I've been saying, wave 3s can extend way further than you may expect. Wave 3s can go to the 261 or the 361 and beyond. So even though it looks like it's ready for a pullback, there's really nothing that's stopping this from continuing up. Eventually, it is going to have to make a big pullback for wave 4 and another push up for wave 5. But until the wave 3 is over, definitely do not be trying to fight this trend on shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and this is all subdivisions from that point on of this wave 3. No breaker structure to the downside, no lower high tells me that the wave 3 is still active, and like I said, there's really nothing stopping this from just keep on trending up. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this definitely does look like a possible wave 1, a possible wave 2, and this is likely all the wave 3. So we're still probably in a wave 3 of wave 3, which means that we still probably have quite a bit of time left before this wave 3 is even complete. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now this is where we can start to see the subdivisions, because ever since the last end of a correction right here, we have an extremely clear trend for the wave 1, we have a very clear pullback for the wave 2, and then this is definitely a trend for the wave 3. Most wave 3s do go to the 161.8% Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the bottom of wave 2. So we still haven't even really hit my full target yet. My target now I think would be 27.37, maybe 27.40 to end the wave 3 and then potentially make a 4 and a 5. But just like I said about the monthly, wave 3s don't have to stop at this level. Wave 3s can extend way further than you may think. This thing could just keep on pushing, not really making any breaker structure or any push to the downside really significantly. Going down to the 1 hour time frame now, please keep in mind that literally every single higher time frame is in an uptrend. The monthly is in an uptrend, the weekly is in an uptrend, the daily is in an uptrend, the 4 hour and everything in between is in an uptrend. So the last thing you want to do is come down to these sort of time frames and start looking for shorts. You should be looking for longs 100%. The 161.8 is my target for wave 3 because that's the Fibonacci extension of the wave 1 projected out the bottom of wave 2. So really at this point I wouldn't even really expect much of a pullback yet. I would expect it to hit that 161.8. Then maybe it will go down and make a bigger pullback for wave 4, but it does not have to do that. Wave 3s can go way further than the 161.8. It might just make a little bounce and then just keep on trending up. The trend is your friend, and until you at least get some sort of a breaker structure to the downside, preferably on like the 4 to 8 hour time frame, I would definitely be doing nothing but trying to go long at the end of every single little teeny pullback I see, because the trend is your friend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.